It's November, and that means it's time to pick who's going to win the 25 Uke the Pros books. So it's early here. I'm actually still just got my coffee, and I'm about to head to LA, but I wanted to do a quick video here. So I got a lot of great submissions. Thank you for that. Keep them coming in. The winner is actually the very first submission I got, and they wanted the beginning music reading book for ukulele. And check this out. This is a cool story. So there's a elementary school in the Southern Sierra Mountains, and they started a before school ukulele club. And it's just a small little town, and the town itself donated money to buy 15 ukuleles. And they actually have so many kids that want to get into it, they have a waiting list. So the teacher there is Sharon Nettles, and she's the elementary music school teacher. And so they just started this ukulele club at the beginning of October, and they thought my beginning music reading books would be perfect. So I'm really excited for them. I'm going to be sending them out, and we look forward to hearing their progress. And it's so cool that we're going to get the young students learning how to read music on the ukulele. So, all right, that's our winner for November, and we'll have another one coming up next month.